Hey everyone, it's Ryan Grimes here from My IT Indie. Today's video, I really want to focus on when you should start looking for an outside consultant for your business, especially on the IT side. So traditionally, it's been when you get to about 10 users, you really start to need someone to help you organize your technology. However, in the last couple of years, we've obviously seen a lot of work from home or work from anywhere scenarios, remote employees, people maybe outsourcing some stuff to other countries, and it's really become more of a need around 5 to 6 users. And just because business has diversified so much in the last couple of years, you really need someone to keep an eye on it. Like we just had a prospect come to us and they've never really worked in their office. Everybody's been remote. Everybody has bring your own device. Everybody's using their own phone, their own laptop. And it's really now become a pain to manage because they didn't do it right to begin with because they had such rapid growth. So if you do it right at about 5 or 6 users, you can scale that, you can grow that, you have less things to worry about in the long run, and you really can make your business more successful and obviously more secure because you're dealing with you're having the assistance of someone who is helping guide your decision-making process as you grow. So what used to be 10 users is now probably down to 5 users. Now, whether or not 5 users can afford that level of technology is another thing, because we don't like to, for small micro businesses like 5 or 6 users, we don't really like to think of them as small businesses. We think of them as mini enterprises because they need the same level of technology that a lot of larger companies do. It's just that they need a little bit of it. So you need the same stuff, you need to secure it the same way. You just don't need as many licenses or as many products, but you do need the core level of products like chatting, communications, email contacts, calendars, file sharing, all those things you still need to take care of in your business. So 5 or 6 users, reach out to us. We'd love to get you started on a path to good technology management. This is Ryan Grimes from My IT Indie.